Hi guys, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you another one of my guest bathrooms in the makeover that I did. So this is what it looks like before. So I'm going to show you and take you through everything that I did to transform it. So guys, if you like DIYs, decorating, or you're trying to turn your house into a home, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out, because that's what this channel is all about. So I'm going to start off here by taking off the current hardware, the tissue holder, because I'm actually going to be painting this cabinet. So a good way, budget-friendly way of updating a cabinet is just going ahead and just painting it versus replacing it, because you're going to spend a lot more on replacing it versus just spending about $7 to $8 on basically a bottle of paint. And this paint is in the color Elephant, and I did get it from Walmart. I started off with a color called Silver Lining, but I didn't like how light it was, so I ended up with Elephant as the final look. So you can see that this is a darker gray. All of the hardware is from Amazon, and I will have it listed below. I'm going for gray, white, and this aqua color, and a touch of gold everywhere. I still have a few more things to change out, like the faucet and the light fixture. I already have those purchased, but I just haven't changed them out yet. So when I do, I will come back and show, because once I get the entire house completed, and if you didn't know, I bought a new house and I'm making it over room by room. So when I get done with the entire first floor, I am going to do a tour of the whole first floor, and when I finish the second floor, same thing, and then of course the whole house after that. So what I'm doing here is I'm just lining up the holes so that I can install the handles, and I love this color against the gold. It came out really pretty. This is my first time using a peel and stick backsplash, but I love this glossy gray subway tile because it does complement the same color that I put on the cabinet. And this was really easy to do. You can cut it with scissors, a paper cutter, or you can use a box cutter. And to me, it's a little bit on the pricey side because you can get 4 pieces for $25. So that's around, you know, it's like over $5–6 a piece. But because I didn't need a lot of it, I'm okay with it. And I'm the kind of person that loves to change up a lot, and using a real tile with, you know, the grout and all that, you would literally have to remove the drywall to put on a different type of tile. So with this is way more forgiving. I could peel this back off and then do a different one if I wanted to. So I did get this from Home Depot, and if this is not your style, they do have a lot of other options. Probably best to like go in the store and look at them in person to see how you feel about it. But I absolutely love it. I'm still trying to decide if I should put it down the left side of the wall. Let me know, do you think I should put it down the left side or just leave it as is? Because I don't want to look too busy, but yeah, let me know if you think I should put it down the left side as well. This is my paper cutter that I used to cut that last piece, because I did want that last piece to be perfect, because that is the piece that would be seen, you know, at all times. The piece that went in the corner doesn't really matter as much, but this piece right here, I wanted it to be really straight, so I used the paper cutter, and it worked out great. And I love the way this looks. I love it. I love it. And you can't really tell that it's not a real tile. The only way you would know is because it's not as thick as a real tile, which for me is a good thing. So let me show you what it looked like before again. That way you remember kind of, you know, what the mirror looked like, and there were no shelves in here. There was no backsplash. So you can kind of see the transformation. Okay guys, this is it. I absolutely love it. Gray, aqua, white, and gold. I love it. Look at the cabinet. Look how different it looks. It just looks more classy, upscale. I love the way the backsplash complements the cabinet color. I am going to change that faucet, but in due time, I will. The mirror looks amazing. Over there, I did put in the shelves. I have the bergamot waters in here. That is by Bath and Body Works. It smells amazing. This tissue box cover is from Target, but I did spray paint it gold because it was silver. Put a couple of washcloths next to it. I put this decorative orb on the top because I did want to complement the shelves with more gold, so that I move all the colors around the entire room. The ginger jar is from HomeGoods. It was $29.99. The flowers are from Michael's. So over here again by the sink, like I was telling you, that faucet is going to change. I have a gold one that I picked up from Lowe's. I just haven't installed it yet. That beautiful vase is from Ross. It was $19.99. The flowers from Michael's. And I've had both of those for a while now, since I was in my other house. The mirror is from Lowe's as well. It was already in the house when it was in the downstairs bathroom when I moved in here, and I decided that it fit better up here. And I do have sun-ripened raspberry as my wallflower, and it has this room smelling amazing. That metal wall leaf, that is from World Market, and I think it was $15. But I did find the mirror. The mirror is from Lowe's, and it's $109. But like I said, it was in the house when I moved in. It was just downstairs in the wrong place. So over here, I did do my curtains and the shower curtain combination. This is not a bathroom that's used very often, so I can have it hang down like this. And I do love the look of this beautiful curtain. This is by DKNY, and I did find it at HomeGoods, and the pair I believe was either $19.99 or $29.99, and it is 96 inches tall. 96 inches. And I do have a shower curtain and a shower curtain liner behind it. Now, if I have guests here, I can tie it back. I do not like these tassels with it because I feel like the gray is a little bit too dark. So I want to find some tassels with a softer gray. And once I do that, it'll be perfect. So it'll be fun looking for those. And if you've seen some light gray tassels somewhere, let me know in the comments, please, because I need to put in an order. This beautiful picture is from HomeGoods. You cannot see how beautiful it is. The camera cannot pick it up. I've tried so many different ways to film this, but it's absolutely beautiful in person. So just giving you another overview of the entire room. Get a better look at that subway tile. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you liked about the room, or if you just want to just say hello. I'll be glad to hear from all of you. Thank you so much for all of your wonderful comments, and I just enjoy reading all the comments. Sometimes I don't get to respond, but I am reading all of them. Guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.